Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuned in, you're probably frustrated with the BeReal app not working as it should in 2025. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through some simple, effective fixes that can get you back to capturing those authentic moments in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the easiest step. Restart the BeReal app. Just close it completely and reopen it. This often clears minor glitches and refreshes the app's connection. If that doesn't do the trick, check your internet connection next. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network or have strong mobile data. A weak signal can cause the app to freeze or fail to load. Moving on, update your BeReal app. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and look for any available updates. Developers release patches all the time, especially in 2025, to fix bugs like this one. Once updated, try launching the app again. If it's still not working, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps greater than BeReal greater than Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This step removes temporary files that could be causing conflicts. Another handy fix is to restart your entire phone. Sometimes, a full device reboot resolves underlying system issues that affect apps. Give it a try and see if BeReal springs back to life. If none of these steps work, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall BeReal from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can eliminate any corrupted files. Finally, if you're still stuck, visit the BeReal support website or contact their customer service for personalized help. They might have specific advice for 2025 updates. There you have it. These straightforward steps should fix the BeReal app not working issue. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.